Hello, I'm back. Welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at the Fifine k670. Stay tuned, it will be a short review but a very detailed one. This is the box that it came with. So the last time you guys said my knife was too big, so I'll be using this one. I hope it's good for you. I opened it at the custom, so that's why the series is broken. But if you order, you might expect something like this. Yeah, and a user guide manual supposed to be inside the box with Fifine technology. It's k670, the k670B, one of those. Yeah, and this is the favorite part of the unboxing. This is what you get when you buy. It's a really nice packaging, and here we have the website and social media. Okay, and a thanks letter. So, and a nice form to keep the items away from dust, I believe, or from breaking. Yeah, it's very well packaged, and from this box you can just see that the microphone is very premium. Let me move it so that you see. Yeah, so this is what you get. This is pure metallic. It's a bit heavy. It's heavier than a book, so heavy. So apart from that, you get the microphone. It's metallic, so I'm sure the sound is okay or terrific. You get another knob and a cable, a USB to some port cable. Apart from that, you get a stand, that can tilt to add more surface area. So it's good for doing some podcasts or whatever you are doing. Yeah, that's all for the unboxing. This is what you get. It's pretty well packaged, and the size, the weight, and the packaging, you can just feel that this product is premium. So if you want to check the manual, it has some pictures. And by the way, I'm using a phone to record the audio. If it's bad, don't think it's the microphone. Yeah, so that's all for the unboxing. Let's do the review. Okay, I'm done setting up the mic, and this is how it sounds. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear the difference between the last video, which I was using the phone, and this one. Yeah, from my earphones, the sound quality is so good. Don't think if you can hear the loop. Testing. Yeah. So one of the main features of this microphone is it has a zero latency connection that you can use with your headphones or earphones. The moment you're speaking, even though you're not recording, you can hear yourself. So that's a good point. You can hear all the background noises or anything. Apart from that, there's a little blue light here. It's a bit light in my room, but there's a blue light coming from the center, which makes it's a good addition for the microphone. Yeah, I'll show you guys a clip of my voice without the microphone, so you can distinguish from here. Okay, so this is how I sound on a normal microphone from my laptop, and this is how it sounds on the microphone. I haven't adjusted the gain, but you can see for yourself the difference. It's a bit more clear. And from the you can adjust the stand to fit your the height of your desk. So let's say if you have a short desk or a short chair, you can just remove these parts which are all metallic, then you use one of them to be a bit shorter, and also you can tilt it to your liking. So it has a lot of features. I have not yet looked at them, but today I didn't want to do a long video, so maybe I'll leave at that point. If there is anything I want. Yeah, and you can adjust the background noise and using your software, but another good thing that this mic comes with is the gain. You can automatically change your voice by shifting it to the right or to the left to make your voice more louder. So let me just show you an example. This is how it sounds on the loud voice, and this is how it sounds on the slightly lower voice. But I'll just put it on the middle, then I'll tweak it when I'm done. Okay, that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, you can leave a like. I'll be posting other videos on the coming days, check maybe tomorrow. So liking this video will greatly assist us, and you can subscribe. See you on another day.